Hey Greg, you're saying that, but I'm pretty sure the two right above me I killed with one shot.
A little father-son debate going on here.
I mean, I got a shot cam right here,
cool.
so
I'm ready.
Oh,
Bring it on, baby.
oh, he's
Show us
ready.
the truth. I shot before you did.
Hey, challenge.
There's a flag on the play.
Yeah,
I'll kill him. Right these in the hole.
You see that jacket
what up?
going to work. Oh, that's
Welcome
too bright.
back to another one. Got a little rain this morning, but we got the soft shell on and it's beating up nicely off that Torre right there. Waterproof, windproof, breathable. In an Alberta pea field this morning, and just getting the spread set. I will let you get with Rob, get a little bit more information, but we're excited to be back at it. Had an amazing day yesterday, and hope to have another really good one this morning. So we'll see how she goes.
We're in the pea fields this morning. Lots of ducks, good bunch of geese as well. We're using our fully flocked silhouettes this morning, using a U-shaped formation. Yeah, it's gonna be a good morning. A little bit of moisture in the air, but hopes are high, intensity's high. We're gonna have a good morning this morning.
Cody, how we feeling?
Great. How are you?
Doing great. Yeah! Woo! They finally came over.
Man.
Took them a while, but they came.
Yes, sir. So that was awesome. We got a 14 in that rip. They did it good. They right out of the gate they racked up on us over there, and then they finally got up, circled around, and finished right in the hole. That's a great start to the morning.
Get them there.
Oh! Squad wipe.
Squad wipe. Echo through the canyon.
Squad wipe.
Kill them.
Oh!
those two with one shot right there.
You got two with one, Greg?
I did, baby. Those two right there. They were side.
Whoa!
They were side by side, 2 and 1.
Hey Greg, you're saying that, but I'm pretty sure the two right above me I killed with one shot.
A little father-son debate going on here.
I mean, I got a shot cam right here,
Cool.
so
I'm ready.
Oh,
Bring it on, baby.
oh, he's
Show us
ready.
the truth. I shot before you did.
Hey, challenge.
There's a flag on the play.
Greg said he killed 2 with one shot, but if you watch this replay right here, who shoots first?
Me.
Boom.
Oh.
See ya.
Oh.
Exact same time.
Oh.
mean, the cameras don't lie.
Kill him there.
That's what he is. Dude, again, oh my gosh.
That was good.
Oh,
That was really good.
One on the right, way right,
Huh?
boys.
That's fine.
Nice.
That's fun when you're hunting with some good boys that can shoot.
Oh yeah.
That one in
Take
front
no
thought he was-
prisoners.
That one in front. Kill him there. I didn't even shoot.
Wow.
Look at those feathers.
Nothing's getting out.
I didn't even shoot.
It's pretty crazy.
Kill them three.
Good shooting. What's that?
Getting a little color to them here in late September.
There we
Oh,
go.
green boy.
They're everywhere.
Kill him there.
There we go. Cleanup duty down here on the end.
Just tap the barrel before you shoot if you want to watch it. It's got to be like right before in the hole.
Oh, I got that one. I smoked that first
Are
one.
you sure?
Oh, 100%.
That was pretty quick on the draw. I'm about to give him that rendition.
There we go.
Kill him there.
Good shooting.
Oh, that was sweet.
Need him.
They just kept coming around, kept coming around. There goes the
Yeah,
tree
they're.
down right
Do
there.
you see how they'd get real
Out there. You see that fall over that hill?
just dead, stone cold?
No, it wasn't stone cold, but it's going down.
Do you see how they'd get like this and then they'd hit that little turbo boost and get real flighty?
Well, there was one that stopped midair. And it was like they're gonna have a collision or something. Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
Oh, whoa, in the blind?
Oh man, it knocked my phone off.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hopefully it's recording.
It knocked your phone off the stand?
And it was recording, yeah.
That's
Yeah, that's
badass.
awesome.
That's probably gonna be.
Go ahead, Greg.
Ooh, Greg sniper.
Kill him there.
What are you thinking?
Man, we're having a ball, dude. Smashing them again. Enjoying myself.
Oh yeah.
Mallard's in the hole.
Yep. Rob,
How's it going?
how we doing?
Yeah, doing good. We're almost there. We need maybe 2 more bunches. Well, actually, the way you guys are shooting, maybe just 1 more bunch. But yeah, it's going good.
Oh.
Kill him there.
Good shot.
First shot up. Mega whip.
Some clicks.
I got 2 clicks there. I don't know what's going on.
All right, we're gonna pick 3 shooters, and that's gonna be a wrap. So we'll just go across the blind. So Cody will cover this far right side. We'll put Greg in the middle, and then it looks like who's on the far end? Evan?
Evan and Tyler.
How about
Evan.
Evan, how about you, Greg, and Cody if a group comes in?
We got good.
All right, 1 bird each. 1 bird each. We're about to shut her down. Here we go. See you later.
Kill him too.
Might as well kill both
Ooh.
of them.
Oh. 2. That's good.
2. We're calling it there.
Let's call it.
Oh, nice shot,
Greg with the cleanup.
That was awesome. That's right, baby.
There we go.
Awesome, man. So we said we were gonna pick 3. We had 2 come in perfect, let them have it. So we'll shut her down right there to get them lined up, and we'll be back with you with a little recap. But golly, what an incredible hunt. Just perfect weather. We probably could have used a little bit more wind, but this overcast, it's kept them flying steady all morning.
Well, I said that we're gonna shoot some darks and ducks, and we shot a good bunch of ducks and a good bunch of darks too. Oh, nice combo shoot. It was fun. In the pea field. Pea field means ducks and geese in Alberta.
Oh yeah.
Hammer time.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. We got some good media. Guys are getting the blinds picked up. I got the shell shaggers up there picking up our holes. Golly, what a morning. The dark geese started it, and then once the ducks started flying, it was fast and furious. So man, these guys at Ranchland, they always put on. Rob Reynolds, he is the man. Just an absolute blast to spend a day in the blind with. That was an amazing hunt. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one.